everyone. Today we're going to do the mentos. We're just doing this for fun because we just want to know nothing. We just want to
know if people on YouTube are lying or not.
Yeah.
So
we got Coke here.
And right now, if you're wondering, we're actually in our backyard.
So we got Coke, actual Coke, right here. After that, we got Coke Diet.
And after that, we have mixed.
And it's not Pepsi, it's mixed. It's mixed with these two. So first we're going to start off with the Coke. Dad, watch out.
I don't know how to do
It won't
this.
fit through.
You gotta do it fast.
Do it fast, do it fast, do it fast. Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Nice.
Okay. Whoa.
Really?
I'm drinking the rest of this.
Whoa.
No. No.
Okay, stop. Okay, next up.
Coca-Cola.
Diet.
Oh, so by the way, not sponsored. Hashtag not
No.
sponsored.
No.
Yes.
Okay, Diet Coke. This one is supposed to explode the most. Whoa! Oh my good. Oh, it's still going. Don't get some Coke on these. Okay.
Busy.
We will both do 3, okay? Here. This is the finale. We will count down from 3. 3, 2, 1. Go. Go, 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 go. 1, 2, 3. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. Okay, so both of these together won't work. But if you do it by themselves, it will actually work.
I want to see how this tastes.
Excuse you. Okay. Is it? Oh, it tastes good. Okay. So that's our video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Goodbye.
Peace out.